Pressing the APU power switch completes the circuits to ARM APU Run Relay K1 and illuminate the bleed air light. When the APU speed is above 90%, the APU Run Relay 7615 K1 is energized, and the bleed valve relay 2124 K2 is enabled. When the bleed air switch is selected to the open position, the bleed valve relay is energized. The bleed valve actuator is then energized, metering the valve to the open position, and over a period of 10 seconds, the open light on the control panel and the APU light on the caution lights panel illuminate.